Today, from Daily Update, News at 10. Former homicidal killer of Apple product iPods has struck again today in Sherman Oaks, LA. Former suspect is Jake Aronson, convicted twice for these crimes before, and he's out of control. We received recent updates and tips from anonymous tippers, and today we received this video.
Hey, Jake, my iPod's not working.
Oh, alright, here, wait, I can fix it. My friend taught me how to do this. Supposed to press, I think, menu, circle, spin, play.
Alright, looks good.
And then you're supposed to...
Okay, I think it's fixed. Stop, I think it's... Alright. So...
Guys, what the fuck you do?
Alright. I think it's fixed.
He smashed his iPod? His
Broken one. Alright. Thanks, Jake, for fixing this stuff. Alright.
Okay.
Thank you.
Later that night, the man fled the scene in a wild rage. So keep your eyes peeled, and if you find this man, don't bother telling us, because we really don't care.